Hey guys, I was just going to give y'all a little bit of my opinions on the CMB Predator, which is a new budget knife that's come out. I saw about it on Captain Jared Neves Knives channel, and it really what attracted me to it was just the fact that it was a bar lock. The blade shape to me was very appealing. I think it's a very sexy blade. It's a very usable blade. Um, the bar lock is super smooth as I fail at opening it, but I'm in a weird angle. So again, the CMB Predator, when I look at this knife, it is, I want to say a $60, $70 knife. You can look up the specs. I will do a quick size comparison just to give you an idea. Let's see, there's next to the Cold Steel 4MAX, next to the Mini Banner. It's bigger than the Mini Banner, smaller than the 4MAX, about the same size as a Bug Out, but it's going to be a little bit thicker. It's going to have a little bit taller blade. It's got a fantastic sharpening choil, as you'll notice that. And then again, smooth MICARTA handles that are contoured with a real nice pocket clip. Goes in and out of pocket very, very easily. And again, just a very smooth bar lock, axis style lock knife. So again, I didn't know a lot about CMB knives, still don't, but in terms of this particular specimen and this example, I could highly recommend this. I haven't put it through a lot of paces. The D2 came extremely sharp. I've not put it on a sharpener yet to see how that lasts. I have cut some paper with it, cut some cardboard with it, nothing extreme, nothing heavy. But from the way that it makes me feel, I'm not crazy about budget knives, but I can tell you that this particular budget knife kind of fills that area that Kubi's do, where I can still really appreciate what they're bringing to market. What this could, offer somebody who's looking for a sub $100, sub $80 knife with some great features and some quality materials. So anyway, guys, I just want to take a few minutes to talk about that little knife, and then to remind you to look out for the people on your left, look out for the people on your right. Know that we'll all have different opinions, and it's okay to disagree with those opinions. The best way to come together and to kind of understand each other is to talk about those differences in a civil, in a very open and easy way without condemning the other person's views. So what that means in short is love each other, look out for each other. I love you all. Peace. Take care. Bye-bye.